Hey guys, I am favouritepixels and how remove any subject in Photoshop. Let's get started now. So first of all, copy the layer, Ctrl J, copy the layer and go to lasso tool. Shortcut key is L.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a
Select you,
vendetta against people who patented being
remove
negative.
the
You
layer.
should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast like a roast? I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got. It was built to last, yeah.
Expand flex is 21%. Click OK and go to right click, fill contents, will click OK and select opacity 100%, click OK
Something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so
and
remarkable. Thoughts in my
again
head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up. No,
Ctrl
I'm not
J,
giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every
go
minute,
to
taste
lasso
it. I'm
tool,
patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got
go
no
to
love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and
right fill,
I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever
click OK,
no I don't take shit. I got no love
Ctrl D, my bad, Ctrl D and select you,
so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so
clone
descriptive like an
tool
adjective. I got a vendetta against people who
and then
patented
select
being
opacity.
negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast? I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior.
After, before, after, before, after, before and Ctrl Shift E, merge the layer. And please guys subscribe on favouritepixels and thank you for supporting me anytime. Just follow on Instagram, Facebook and thank you guys. My subscriber 100 complete and please guys subscribe on favouritepixels and complete 500 subscribe on. Thank you for watching me and thank you guys.
I'll always show up and make a